Okay, so in this video we are checking what and all options we have there in our UV mapping panel. Okay, so in this video we are checking how to manipulate our UV islands in our UV mapping panel. Okay. So we have different options here. We will check one by one. Okay, see guys, one thing is let me remove this particular image. Okay, you can see right now I have my object here. Okay, you cannot see anything. So if you want to see anything, then you have to select some of the faces or vertices, right? So here you have to write. So but if you want to, like by default, if you want to see the islands of your UV mapped object, then you have one option at the top. See here you can see one option, UV sync selection. If you select this one, no, you will see all the available islands here. Okay, these are like islands, so you can see all the available islands. Also, like if you are selecting any that selected things, it will show in the island. Okay, so that is like the useful case actually. So you can see the selection where and all it is selected, it will show. Also, like you can see at the side, we have different tools like selection, cursor, move, rotate, scale, transform. These are like a common thing in our edit and even object mode also, right? And we have annotation, rip, grab, relax, then pinch, like that. So different options we have. Let's check the navigation first of all. So if you want to zoom in, zoom out, then using scroll bar on your scroll wheel in your mouse, you can do, like if you are scrolling in, then it will zoom, scroll out. Okay, so using mouse wheel you can do it. And this is for zooming. If you want to pan, then you can use middle mouse button click and you can pan it like this. The same thing you can do it here also. If you are click and taking out, okay, grabbing down, then it will zoom out. If you are taking up side the mouse, then it will zoom in. Okay, and if you are to pan, then you will click this and you will pan like this. Okay, the same way like you have in edit mode, you have like vertex, edge, face selection. Like if you are selecting a face, no, for example this one, so that is highlighting here, see. Okay, so edge, vertex selection is there. Like that we have a face, edge selection also. Okay, and one more thing, we have face selection. If I'm selecting this one, the face is selecting. Okay, like that. So these are common thing. And let me disable this one for now. So if I'm disabling here, you can see there is one more option came here. Okay, so what is this? Let me show you. For example, I will select all by hitting A. See, if I'm selecting any one face, no, let me go to this one, this option. Okay, this option I am enabling. If I'm selecting a vertex or anything, okay, so it will select entire island. So this is how it is. So in order to select entire island, you can have this one. So what you should enable this one. But if you have this UV sync, then you can't see that one. That is one thing. Okay, so if you are UV sync is enabled, at that time like it will select only one face, you can see. But if you want to select entire island, what you can do, you can select any face or any vertex, then hit L, so that it will select all. Okay, you can select even it is in vertex also. Let me select this one, and if you hit L, then it will select all. Okay, if I'm selecting here L, it will select entire island. Okay, if I'm selecting this face, so mainly in face, okay, because otherwise if you are going to vertex, then this vertex is related here also. That is one thing. But if you are going for faces, no, the faces it will be here only. So select the face and you hit L, so that entire island it will select.